Hi guys, welcome back. So today's tutorial is going to be an eye makeup look. Well, sort of kind of an eye makeup look because I'm not going to be doing much to my eyes. Just very simple. I will be wearing probably a bold lip today. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish getting ready, so it's kind of a halfway get ready with me type of tutorial. So let me let you know what I've used on my face today. For foundation, I used the Bare Minerals Fresh Face Foundation, which I love. It's the Made to Fit just for me. For concealer today, I used the Revolution Concealer as well as the Tarte Concealer. And I am dying to try the Revolution foundation because everybody's bragging about that. Eventually, I'll get to it. I set those concealers with the Laura Mercier Translucent. I use the Butter Bronzer in Light Bronze as my bronzer, the Laura Geller in Tropic Hues for my blush, and the Mary Luminizer for my highlights. And for the brows today, I use what I've been using for the longest, which is the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks. And that's pretty much it. You know, I did prep my skin before adding all these products onto my face. So let's get into the eyes. I'm going to be using the Tarte Poppy Picnic palette. I don't think that this is available in stores anymore. I could be wrong. I don't know. I think you can find it like on eBay or something like that if you cared for this palette. I'm only going to be using, I think, 2 of the eyeshadows here, which is going to be Sweet Tea and probably Summer Breeze, which are these 2 right here. So Summer Breeze is the light one and Sweet Peach is the nice light brown shade. So obviously these shades you can find in so many palettes or similar shades, obviously, or single eyeshadows. If you have them, then go ahead and use those. All right, so I'm gonna start with the BH Cosmetics blending brush. This is, I think it's the 101. The number came off, so I really don't know which number, but I think it does say 101 brush. I'm gonna start with Sweet Tea. Is that what I said? Sweet Tea? Let me see. Yep, Sweet Tea. And I'm gonna place this into the crease of my eye. And I've already applied a little bit of concealer onto my lids. So I'm just gonna apply this from outer all the way to inner corner, keeping it real simple. And I'm gonna bring it up pretty high but not cover my brow bone. And as you can see, the eyeshadows already, you can already tell I have eyeshadow there. I want to keep it very light today on the eyes, so I'm not gonna go crazy with the eyeshadow. I will be placing Sweet Tea under my lower lashes as well. I just gotta pick up a different brush for that. So for my lower lashes, I'm gonna be using the Luxie 227 T brush, which is this little brush right here, and I'm still using Sweet Tea, and I'm gonna buff this right under my lashes, just to tie everything up with the mobile lid. And as you can see, I'm not being super precise because I do like kind of a smoky under eye, even though I'm not going heavy smoky, but it does tie the whole eye. As you can see, I like the way it looks better than this one. For now, I guess this is what I prefer. I always change my mind, so if eventually I start using no eyeshadows under my eyes, don't be mad. I change my mind often. But this has been for quite a while that I love doing my under eyes pretty messily. Now let me grab a brush for, what's the other eyeshadow? Summer Breeze. For Summer Breeze, I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics 102 brush. So yeah, the other one is 101 for sure. And I'm going to pick up Summer Breeze and I'm going to place it on my mobile lid. And I'm also going to use Summer Breeze for my brow bone highlight. And I'm just patting it right now onto my mobile lid. Super easy, super fast, and super simple look. But it's gonna look like I tried, you know, I tried to look cute today. Okay, so that is it for the Poppy Picnic palette. Now I'm going to go back to the Mary Luminizer and let's see what brush. I have this one right here. Make sure it's clean. This one is the Makeup Geek Pointed Crease Brush. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the Mary Luminizer and I'm going to pop it right into my tear duct area. And I have a lash on my eye right here. Let me see, let me grab a brush so I can take it off. Okay. All right, so we are good with the eyes. Let's add some mascara. I'm going to use the Lash Sensational mascara in black. It's one of my favorite mascaras. I love the brush and the actual mascara. It's really good as well. So I'm gonna do about, I don't know, 2 to 3 coats on my upper lashes and 1 on my lower lashes. And I like to push and wiggle the brush in between my lashes, and I push them in and then I pull them out. All right, so this is coat number 1. I'm gonna wait a little bit and do the second coat. So I'm done with the eyes. Now we're moving on to lips. I'm gonna be using this When I X lip liner in the shade Currant or Raisin. And the lipstick is by Wet n Wild, and this one is in the shade Cherry Bomb, which is 918D. So we're gonna combine these two. I'm gonna start down here. I usually start on the top, but I don't know. Right now I'm just gonna start on the bottom. I always do end up getting lipstick like way lower under my lip line. I should wear lip liner more often, but I don't know. When I'm in a rush, I just throw the lipstick on and that's it. And when I'm wearing liquid lipstick, I feel like I line my lips with the liquid lipstick anyway. You guys, I'm just making small talk. I know that information, it's not even necessary. Like, who cares? Who cares if I wear lip liner all the time or I don't, right? Alright, my pretty, so this is it. This is the end of the tutorial. This is my daytime vampy look. It's super simple. Like I said, the eyes, I only use 2 eyeshadows, you know, and a little pop of a highlight, and a nice deep red burgundy-ish vampy lip, which I am loving right now. My lips do feel good, and actually I've had that lipstick for quite a while, and I'm surprised that it still works. And it's nice and smooth, so yes, thank you very much. Yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you found it easy and simple to do. Like I said, this is more of a daytime appropriate fall type of look. You know, if you want to be a little vampy but you don't want to be too extra because the eyes are not heavy, just, you know, a nice dark lip, then you can pull it off. You can go anywhere with this. Like right now, I'm actually going to go visit my grandmother, and I don't feel weird wearing, you know, a nice red lip because my eyes are pretty simple. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. I also do haul videos for home decor and home decor videos. So if you are interested in those, then, you know, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminded when I upload, or a little reminder in your feed. Until next time, my loves. Mwah. Hugs and kisses. Bye.